What up, guys? Today we're gonna play a new game, like I said in the last video, Chipper and Sons, Lumber Co. Full. Is it the full game? There's a demo? Awesome. Anyways, let's start a new game. Slot 1. Well, little Tyke, whatever I'm gonna name him Tyke. The day has come. No, not the beginning of summer of your coming of age, but me throwing you out on your furry year? What does that mean? But the time I was your age, I was out building dams, cutting trees, and blowing up termite mounds. Okay. The war with the termites has scared us all. Famine? Famine, and just call it famine. Disease? Death. None of those things have happened, but it still sounds pretty awful, doesn't it? It might happen in a meteor were to hit. So never trust a termite. They might have a meteor. Now get out there and make me proud. I'm giving you a whole arc, whatever it's called. Why can't I read? Of land up to the right of our cabin. Plant trees, cut trees, build stuff. The whole beaver route time. I can't read some stuff. You will get the hang of it already. Show me what you can do. And I'll give you more land and more blueprints to build cooler stuff. Go to the right of our cabin to see I can't read, of land. Go to the left to visit the other weirdos creatures of the forest. I'll give you this walkie-talkie so I can stay in touch with you. Press the button when you see it flashing. Off you go. Awesome. Okay, you got plans. Okay. How hard can this be? Awesome. So this is like task. Why don't you try finding a tree and chomping it down? Awesome, okay. Alrighty, I need a plugger. Hey, Dad, do you know where the plugger is?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, which one? Okay. You seriously get great job, awesome, thanks. Okay. Wait, am I losing coin? After you gather a bit more, bring it back and to me, and I will make lumber for you. Awesome. Oh, yay, you got redwood. I never heard of redwood before. Well, I did hear of redwood trees.
You sit there if you want.
Oh, no, I'm big. Alrighty, I'm going to plug this in, and Alrighty. Plug. Go there. And where does this thing end to? And there. Does that work? Let's collect these things. Yay! Awesome coins coming out of my mouth. Hey, Dad, I don't know where this plugger doesn't work. Oh, got it. Alrighty. Hey, it's my friend Birdie, whatever his name is, but I'm going this way right now. Let's go. Awesome game, Scott. This one. Okay, let me read this. 10 of those and 5 of those. 0 and 0. Okay. Page 2. 5 of the wood again and nothing. Awesome. 10 of those and 5 of those. Lumber, 5 of those. Blah blah blah. Okay. I read all this stuff. I know what I should do. It's a monster. What? What is that? Okay. Oh, wait, minigame. I see those whales. Don't let the jellyfish get past. Defeat Papa Jelly, and I'll give you a special item. Awesome. Okay, just like the video again. Game over. Oh, start. Okay. Stop ya. Yeah. Awesome video game you have here, Scott. Seriously? Play another game by Scott. Stop. Jelly. Papa. His name is Papa Jelly, the whale said. So. Never let the only angry jellies. Is this a boss or something? Awesome. Die. I'm killing your jellies. Oh, I died. Okay. I'm done playing this game. I did pretty good. Okay, that was an awesome video game. Now let's get ready for our event. Whoa! Oh, there's a death. Oh. Hi, Facey. Alrighty. Oh. Wait, who are you? Freddy? Danger. This is scary. Hey, Five Nights at Freddy. What time is it? Oh no. No thanks. I don't need a shot. Yeah, let's go for a shot. Ready. I'm scared. Keep out. Balloon Boy. Hi. How are you? You want water? Okay. You don't. If you don't want it. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.